Hi! In front of me is HONOR Magic4 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. Firstly, you need to access Tab menu. Now look for location icon. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that location is now on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on the same icon. If you want to, you can always click on Home button and go into Settings as well. Now look for Location section, click on it, and manage location by clicking on this switcher next to Access My Location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!